Welcome back to another video, boys. I'm gonna start the video a little bit different today because we have something to celebrate, and it's no small thing. It is the fact that the channel has now surpassed 10,000 subscribers. That is an accomplishment, and thanks to every single one of you that watched the video and subscribed to the channel and liked the content. It's a very satisfying feeling. So, to commemorate this accomplishment, for the past 4 weeks, I have sent the C63 away because I wanted to restore it paint-wise, interior-wise, and that's about it, for now. The car's back. I got it back a week ago, so I haven't really had the opportunity to go and enjoy the car because I've just moved into my new place. Work has been absolutely smashing me. So I haven't had the chance to really go and get acquainted with exactly what she looks like now. So let's go downstairs. Let's do a walk around in the new garage and I'll talk you through what I did. So here she is. This is what we've done. Clearly she's been here for too long because you can see the dust settle on it. But what we did is we resprayed the front bar. We done the bonnet, we done the hood nostrils, we resprayed the rims gloss black and the calipers red, we upgraded the pads, we upgraded the disc, we put Michelin's Pilot 4S's, I resprayed the roof, and I also resprayed the back boots because you remember here there was it was chipping away in the clear coat, so we've done all of that. Now when it comes to the interior, I got it fully detailed. Some of the bolsters on the sides were starting to come out, so we took the seats out and we fixed it. We were able to save it, which I'm really happy about. I was contemplating getting buckets, like AMG Black Series buckets, because I found them online for 4,000 euro, which equates to 20,000 dirham, so around 10k Aussie. But I don't want to go down that route, not with this car. I want to keep it as original as possible because it is a 507 and it is in Mars red. I don't want to ruin it like that, boys, you know? I'll save that for when I buy a JDM car or something, or I can go spastic on it. But this car, it doesn't need any of it. If we come to the inside, what I really wanted to do was the following. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. See the buttons down here for the aircon? They're like peeled. So I ordered new buttons so I can get that done. And ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, it never gets old, man. It never gets old. They just don't have the soul like this anymore. Like, yeah, doesn't have a DCT. Yeah, doesn't have turbos. Yeah, and what? Who gives up? The way this car makes me feel, bro. And these tires, Pilot Sport S's 69s, wow. Wow, wow, wow. These new brakes, boys, it goes and stops really good. I'm happy I upgraded the brakes. When we took the car to the mountain, the Jabal Jais video, cooked the brakes. I absolutely cooked its mum, and the tires, gone. Now, car rides much better. The tire noise isn't as loud. You feel more planted. You have more confidence. You know what I mean, bro? I just love it. I fucking love it, boys. I love this. I love this. I love this. And like many of you that love cars, infatuated by cars, starts when you're young, man. And underneath this beautiful moonlight, I just want to say thank you very much to everyone that supports the channel. I'm going to continue, God willing, making videos because I love it and I love this. I love this shit. And I know you do too. And I do have a few things in mind that may take some time to execute, but it will be worth the wait. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.